Today we are going to learn the Supine Spinal Twist Pose, or in Sanskrit, Supta Matsyendrasana. This pose can help us to improve flexibility, relieves pain, and improve digestion too. Now slowly move yourself down to a lying position on your mat. Lift your left knee to your chest and gently rock your left knee left and right for a few moments here. Next, use your right hand to push your left knee across. Shoulders on the floor. Just keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale. Just keep breathing. Now, inhale and come back to center. And put your left leg on the mat and change side. Now, lift your right leg up, right knee up to your chest, and gently rock your right knee left and right for a few moments here. Inhale, exhale. Then slowly use your left hand to press your right knee across. Shoulders on the floor. Relax and stay in this position for a few breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale back to center and then put your right leg down. Extend your legs and into this relaxation pose of Shavasana. Palms facing up. Relax your shoulders. Relax your palms. Relax your legs. Relax your toes. Inhale. Exhale. Now, slowly bend your knees to your chest and rock your knees left and right. Rock your body left and right for a few times. Next, roll your body to the right side. In one breath, Inhale and bring yourself up to your seated position.